Warning: you must disconnect the Opus Mini from the main power supply before carrying out any work on this machine.
From time to time, it will be necessary to replace the Teflon belts that carry the film between the heater blocks. First, unscrew the two black thumb screws that secure the top cover. The guard slides off. To take the belt off, move the heater block forward, lift the handle and slide the belt off the back of the block and from the front wheel. To remove the bottom belt, remove the lower cover by undoing the thumb screws. Pull the guard off. Lift the top block with one hand, press the lower heater block forward and slide the belt off. To replace the belts, put the new lower belt on first. Lift the top block up by its handle. Push the belt on the back of the heater block assembly. Push this forward and with your thumb, hook the belt around the front wheel and lower the top block. The bottom guard and top guard are different. The bottom guard has a cutout section, as you can see here. Replace the bottom guard and its two thumb screws. Do not fully tighten either screw, as this guard is adjustable and you must ensure that you leave a gap of approximately 1 mm at the front between the guard and the belt, as shown here. Once the guard is correctly positioned, fully tighten the thumb screws. Replace the top belt by positioning it at the back of the heater block. Lift the block and press it forward so that you can slip the belt over the drive wheel. Lower the block and replace the top cover, which is not adjustable. Replace and tighten the two thumb screws.